Hello guys and welcome to our next tutorial, and today we will learn about a while statement. So basically what is while statement? It is a loop. While loop is a loop in which the things in between the braces will keep occurring while the condition is true. So let's see what I mean. Okay, I have made a simple code which has an integer I and a while loop that says while I is less than or equal to 6, see out, console out. This sentence was output I times and end the line. Okay, and then we increment I. What is plus plus? Let me tell you what is plus plus. Plus plus means increment operator. It will increase the amount of the value of I as we go on into the loop, as the loop executes again and again and again and again. As you can, like, the word loop means it will keep on going till you stop it, and once it reaches a point where I is greater than 6, like it will become 7, and then it will stop and terminate. If we don't have any conditions onto a loop, it will keep on going and going and it won't stop at all. So let's run this code. Let me bring that terminal up, make it over here. And as you can see, the sentence was output 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. First time it ran, it used the value 0, then it incremented the value into 1, then we got 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, and then to 6 time as our condition said. So this is what while loop is. Basically, just to show you, and I just showed you in a simple example. You can make your own different ones, like while something. Let me just put a space between this so it looks a bit cleaner. And as you can see, all the output 0 times, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, and 6 time. You can even do this to just represent, show even numbers or odd numbers. Let me show the counting. Okay, so let me do see out I and then that. Then if we do this, run the code, as you can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it ran. You can do any type of condition. Let me do 20, and let me end line so it appears on the next line rather than just on the same line. And as you can see, 0 1 2 3 4 and up to 20. So this is basically what while loop is, and this is how you can make your own while loop. Simple. You should practice while loops your own. It is not that much hard to do. It is basically you need to set your own condition, and then the things in the statement, and then increment or decrement operator as you want. If you could do, let me do 0, and then that is 20, and decrement operator. And so now it will count from 20 to 0, as you can see. Okay, so it's basically just on your depends on your how you do it, how you logically make your own while loops. And so this is how you can make while loop using this. Let me tell you the format of while loop. While condition statements increment decrement return, and then this is the simple syntax of while loop. So this is how you can make your own while loop in C++. So this is was for today, and I hope you enjoyed. Hello guys, and welcome to our next tutorial, and today we will learn about do while loop. Do while loop is basically same as while loop. In this and do while loop, the only difference is the while comes after the whole statement. So basically we started off with do and then all the statements and then while and with the condition. So let me explain it, translate it in English. So basically do, what the code will do is output the value of I and decrement it every time the loop executes while the condition I is less than 0 is true. So basically what it will do, it will just output the value of I and decrement it every time the loop executes, and then it will keep on going while the output or while the value of I is less than or equal to 0. So let's run it, and as you can see it counted from 20 to 0, as you can see that. So it decremented the value from 20, we had that value 20, and then we got 0 until 0 because we had the condition as till 0. So this is how you can make do while loop. Let me show you its syntax. It's basically do, then your statements, then increment decrement operator if you want, and then while and condition. So this is basically just same as while loop, and it's just very simple and easily to do if you know how to do while loop. So basically that's it for today, and I'll hope you learned a lot in this video, and I hope see you in the next one.